husband is helping me pick some goji berries. See, we got some already. It's scary. Aray ko. My finger. It's scary to pick them because there's thorns. They're thorny. Hold on. Ay. Oh, it's in the back. I don't even have gloves. But anyway. Ay, I'm sorry. Masakit. Ooh. I don't know why I really plant this thing. I know it's healthy. But at the moment, they taste bitter. Aray. Aray, aray, aray. This is Bombay. I didn't know that there's a lot already. My God. And I'll just let them get wasted again. If it's not sweet to eat, I'm just gonna use it for tea. Get the benefits out of it. Oh my God, see? This is what they use for
I am.
I have to research goji berry again and find the benefits of it. I know it was something good, but I'll just research some more. What they're good for. Hi! I think that's pretty much it. Oh. Aray, aray, aray. Okay, I'm done. It's good enough for tea, I guess. May makulit nakakainis, buisit. This is still the best fruit ever. Because pomegranate is not very stingy. I mean, it's not stingy. They give out lots of fruits and they have lots of vitamins. So I'm happy to grow it.